Today's video is going to be on how to create designs on Canva, okay, that are suitable for email. All right. And it can be email promotion design whereby you create the promotion in Canva and you send it to somebody's email address, whether Gmail or Outlook email. It is compatible with that. So let's just get right into it. All right, the first step is to open your web browser. So here I'll be working with Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit canva.com and log in. Once you log into your Canva account, you will see some designs you recently designed, created. But our interest here is on creating email promotion or email design, anyone you can call it. So this is new introduction. So click on this email. So now you can see some things, some designs here, which can serve as template for you to use. So you can click on any and start designing from there, depending on what you want. If you click on one and it doesn't align, you can click on another. Okay, so look at the design tab. Once you click here, you can select. So let's go with this one. I'll click on this. Now, on clicking on this, it has applied here, all right, giving me some templates, okay, some kind of division sections that I can work on, okay. And here I want to do a kind of promotion for the end of the year, whereby I tell people we train maybe the young and the old on different software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and even how to use Windows 11 PCs. All right. So first, let's start this design. First, click on this, double click on this. Okay. So this will open a space for me to edit this template. All right. So I can start working on this here. But that does not portray what I really want. So it says describe your idea. So I'm going to describe what I want in this case. Okay, so I'll click here and describe it. And for the purpose of time, I have typed what I need. I say a tech company that train people on how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, cybersecurity, and also computer. Okay, I can call it Windows 11, computer, or just computer. All right. So once you're done with description, click on this search. Now, this will present you with some templates that may align with what you want to create. Okay, so you can see a lot of templates created for me here for me to choose from. So here I'll work with this because it looks a little bit closer to what I want. So once I click on that, I can edit it further. So I'll click on this. All right, this has applied here. And here it says promotion runs until March 31st, 2025. I'm going to zoom this so that you see what I'll be working on. All right, I'll scroll up. So I'll edit this information. So when you click on it once, it will be selected. Click on it again for all the text to be selected. You can click again for you to do what? Edit the text. So here my own is going to be December 31st, 2025 only. All right. So I can give this name. So this is Gillian's Gadgets. So let me give it my own company name. So double click anytime you want to make change to the text, double click there and give it your brand name. So here I'll go with Godwin Tech. Okay. Because that's the name of this my YouTube channel and I want to design in respect to that. So here it says special sales on all services. Okay, so here we have keyboard and mouse set. We have battery fixed and this QR code. This is the standard of this template. So I'm going to change a lot of things here. First, let me remove this. I'll click on this, backspace key for it to go. Click on this, backspace key of my computer keyboard for it to go because I don't need that. Now here I'm going to replace this thing, though we know this is part of computer, but that's not the image I want. So I will click on uploads. This will display some images, pictures I uploaded on my Canva. Okay, so let me search for a particular one. Let me search for Microsoft Word. I have already uploaded it. Okay, so if you have not uploaded any one, the image you want to use here, click on upload files, navigate to where you save the image and pick it and place it here. Okay, but here I've already uploaded some of them. So I will just search for it, enter. All right, this has bring in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to take my cursor to this place, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag it for it to replace this. All right, so you can see this has been replaced. And I will go down here. I have this place as keyboard. I'm going to change this text, but wait first. Let me bring in Excel, okay? Because we're going to teach Excel in this promotion, Microsoft Excel. So I'll search for Excel, which I have already uploaded before. It has shown up. I'll pick it and carefully drop it here, okay? Then we're going to teach about AI. So take your cursor to the image you want to use, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag and drop for it to replace the existing image. All right. So I'm going to duplicate this so that I'll have more products that I want to teach you in this class. So I'll click here, then click on duplicate. This is duplicate icon. Okay. So I will space it. Then I will click on duplicate again. But I need to adjust this because it's not going to contain. So I want to have two more products added here. Okay. So we're going to be taking them one after the other. Okay. I think if I shift this very well, it will still contain other products. So let me duplicate again. Duplicate icon. So let me keep shifting this. Keep shifting this. Keep shifting this so that I'll have more. All right. I'll have more products added here. So I think I can get more. Okay, I can get more again. So it's okay by this. Then let's look for another product we're going to teach in this time. So let's search for Windows 11. All right. So I have an image I already uploaded there. Windows 11. Enter. So this is going to bring some Windows 11 PCs I uploaded here before. But if it doesn't show up, I will. Okay, let me search for another term. Laptop. Laptop. Okay, beautiful. This will pop off. Okay, and I will drag and then I will drop inside this place. Then I will talk about PowerPoint. So let me type PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Enter. It has shown up. Take it and drop. All right. So you do this carefully until you will replace this one. So let me do the rest at the back end. Then we continue because of time. All right, so here I have placed all the pictures I have, the pictures of the products I want to teach, though not all of them, but because of space, let's just work with this and time. All right, then this text, let's work on the text. So I'll drag this here and I will give this a name, Excel. Okay, all right. Then I can drag this way and give this one name. Maybe we talk about how to use laptop there. Okay, let's call this laptop. So meaning we will teach our students how to use laptop. Okay, laptop. So this is not in the same line with this, so I will make sure that in the same line. Then, because I want everything to maintain the same style and the same font, I'll click here and select duplicate. Okay, so I will place this one on top of this place, duplicate again, duplicate again. All right. So let's call this one PowerPoint. PowerPoint. So this is OneDrive. So double click here, OneDrive. This is AI. So let's call this AI tool. Okay. All right. So I'm done with all these tests here. So let's get to this pricing. because each of the course we're going to offer has the price. So this one original price is $20, now only $15. So I'm going to change this my own price. Let's say original price here is $10. Then now only is going to be $7. So carefully edit what you want to do here, okay? 7. Let me still zoom this so that you see what I'm working on. All right. Then I'll drag this one here, maintain the same line, original price. I'll maintain $10, then now only $7, okay? So that people will be able to buy the course, okay? So I'll click here. Then once you click here, this whole layout is selected. I'll right click, all right, and select duplicate, okay? So that I can transfer this here, okay? Then click on this, duplicate again. Then it has been transferred here. Duplicate again so that it will go to the other side. Okay. So is cool. Is cool. Everything is in the same line. All right. So let me minimize again. Okay. So we have worked on some things here from here to here. So the next thing we are going to do here is to work on this. Okay. So let me undo. If you make a mistake along the line, undo, please. Look at the undo button here. Okay, because this thing shifted to another position now, which is not what I want. So, but let me zoom this bottom part, the footer area. You can see what they have here. Say Canva has many options for your price list and product specs, okay? Specifications. But that's not what I want to do here. So I want to say a few things about the course here, about the program we're about offering this time. So I will edit this text. So my own text reads, Godwin Tech will teach you all you need to master utility apps and PC. So this one, I will highlight some points here. So I'm going to delete what is here and have mine. So the first point here is data analysis, charts, and data organization. Okay, so look at this here. I press the backspace key, the backspace key, and deleted the bullet. Look at all these tools here. You can work with them. So if you click here, bullet is added. Then I'll press enter and add the other information I want to have here. Okay. All right, I've added all the information I want to have here. So look at contact us section. So let's edit few things here. So I'm in Nigeria. So let me change this calling code. So plus 234 is hours here. Then I can add few numbers here. I'm not going to display my phone number here for the whole world to see. So, but as you're doing your job, edit and have your full phone number here. So this address says 123 Anywhere Street, any city. All right. So you're going to edit it to be your own address. That's the location of your business. So let's say 12. Okay. Let's say 12 Bilme Street. Okay. Bilme. But there's nothing like that in real life anyway. So let's call it Kali. Okay. So now your website may be added here if you have a website. But if you don't have a website, you can add your email address here. So let me add my email address here. All right, so look at my email address, which is functional email address. So if you send me email here, you will get me immediately. So you have to cross-check what you have done again to ensure that everything is in order, all right, before you save. All right, so from my own end, this is what I want to have at the end of the whole thing. So I'll click on save. And you can see we have saved this, and this has replaced the first part of this template that we had before. So here I'm going to change this name to Godwin Tech. All right, Godwin Tech. All right, so look at this. This is WhatsApp. If you want to add a WhatsApp link, click here and click on this link so that when you send this design to people's email address and they click, they can get to your WhatsApp immediately. So I have a video I did on how to create WhatsApp link. All right. I'll try and link it in the description so that it'll be easy for you if you don't know how to do that. All right. This is the X handle, all right, which is the former Twitter. So if you have your handle, put it here. For the purpose of time, we are not going to be doing this too, but let's practicalize with this. So I'm going to add my Instagram handle here. So I'll open a new tab and I'll visit instagram.com. So I have logged into my Instagram account. So I'll click on this. This is my profile, all right? My Instagram profile. So I'll click here and copy this link. Control C to copy. I'll get back to the design. Then where is that Instagram? I'll click on this Instagram, click on link, and then I will add my Instagram link here and I'll click on done. So once the person get this design and he clicks on this, he will take it to my Instagram account to send me email, all right? To contact me, send me message. All right, so though we have changed some things, say there's something I want us to do because this part we don't need it again. So we're going to delete every part we don't need. I'll click on this, all right? I'll click on it again and select delete. Then this one has been highlighted. I'll select delete. This one has been highlighted. I'll select delete. But if they are not highlighted, please click on them, get to the line, okay, and carefully click. All right. Once you click, you see this delete button. Go with it. Okay. But here, these ones are being highlighted. I'll select delete. This one I don't need this delete. All right. Likewise, this I'll get to this line, click. Okay. This doesn't want to give me delete icon. Okay, I've clicked by the side, it has shown up, so I'll click on delete. So this is just what I need, all right? If I close down on this, good. All right, so this is just what I need in my design. So with that being said and being done, the next step is to send this. First, you may start by testing out how this will look in the email. So you click on this send test email, all right? It will be sent to your email address. So let's do it together. All right, on this page, I have given it a name. So if you have a different text here, please give it a name of your choice. Then this email is hidden for security reason. I don't want you to see it. So the last step is to click on send test email. All right, so I have just received this in my inbox, okay? So I can view it to see how it looks like, and from there I can click on it, but I know it's fine, okay? So I'll click on top of this place. Then let's say I want to save this in my PC. I'll click on this share button and I will select download. Then I will select download again. Okay, look at the name. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna appear in HTML and images standard. But if you don't want it to be in that way, you can click here and maybe select PDF. But I'm okay with the settings. Okay, I'll click on download. So this is now downloaded into my PC. So if I get to the downloads folder of my PC, I will see it there. So when you click on share option again, the share button again, you see some options as well that you can use to do what? To share this design. All right. So let's say I want to get a link that I want to send to people maybe on WhatsApp or Messenger. So I'll click on this. Now it's a public view link. Create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view only version of this design. No sign in required. All right, so that's cool. So I'll click on this create public view link. I'll look at the link here. So I can click on copy. So once I click on copy, this is copied. I can get to somebody's WhatsApp and send this. So I am on one of my contacts on WhatsApp. So Control V to paste the link and now we send it to him. So I'll click on this. So once he clicks on this link, he'll be able to access this design. All right, so I can click out, then click on share again to see another way we can do this. And I used to send this. Maybe you want to send to another person's email address. It's possible. So you click on Gmail, follow the on-screen guide, and send it to the email address of the person. I believe this content helps you. You can check out this video here to learn how to create email signature, all right, for your email address with the Outlook or Gmail. Thank you and see you some other time.